Good morning students, another session in trigonometry, 4 marks questions. So first one, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Then find the value of sin theta in terms of 1. So given value, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Now substitute the secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 from identity 2. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square. We will write a plus b, a minus b. So we can write secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta. So right hand side secant theta plus tan theta is transformed into left hand side. Tan secant theta both are cancelled, we will get 1. So now we are converting secant theta and tan theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. We'll have the same denominators. Now write the numerators freely. 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. Now sending cos theta to RHS. So 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now squaring on both sides. 1 minus sin theta whole square is equal to cos square theta. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1a square b square minus 2ab into 1. So and cos square theta I am writing as 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. It is in the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 from identity 1. So I am transposing minus sin square theta to left hand side. So I am sending plus 1 to right hand side. So sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So I am taking common 2 sin theta, I am separating 2 sin theta. So I will get 2 sin theta into sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So I am equating the separate values is equal to 0. 2 sin theta is equal to 0, sin theta is equal to 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is anything 0. And the second one, sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0, minus 1 transpose to right hand side. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. It is in the form of sin theta, it is in the form of ones. The second question, sin theta minus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta minus secant theta whole square is equal to cot square theta plus tan square theta minus 1. So it is in the form of again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. I am writing sin square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 2 sin theta into cosecant theta, cos square theta plus secant square theta minus 2 cos theta into secant theta. I am writing sin square theta plus cos square theta. We will get from identity 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I am writing cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. I am writing secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. I am writing cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, and secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cancelling sin theta and cos theta, we'll get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We'll have 3 ones here, 1, 2 and 3. We'll get minus 2 minus 2. 3 minus 4 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. Minus 4, we'll get minus 4 plus 3, we'll get minus 1. So the answer is cot square theta plus tan square theta minus 1, which is RHS of the given problem. And the third question, if the secant theta minus tan theta is equal to k, then find the value of cot theta in terms of k. So given value, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to k, which is equation 1. We have already known that identity 2, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, which is in the form of a square minus b square. We can write a plus b, a minus b. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So we have already given value secant theta minus tan theta is equal to k. We are substituting in that place. We'll get secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by k, which is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. So nothing but subtracting the negative positive values is converted into negatives, negative values converted into positive values. We are cancelling 2 secant theta, we will get minus 2 tan theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. So minus 2, minus can be multiplied with on the both sides. So we will get a positive value 2 tan theta 1 by k minus k. K into k, k square minus 1. So 1 minus k square by k. So 2 tan theta is equal to 1 minus k square by k. Tan theta is equal to 1 minus k square by 2k. We need to find the value of cot theta. Cot theta means 1 by tan theta. So we need to reciprocal the tan theta value. So we'll get 2k by 1 minus k square, which is a cot theta value. And the fourth question of this, for which value of acute angle cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4 is true, for which value of 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90 degrees the above equations is not defined. So we need to find the values for whether theta is defined for 0 or 90 or between the acute angles from 1 degrees to 89 degrees. So given value cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta 1 minus sin theta. We are cross multiplying cos theta into 1 plus sin theta, cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, and the denominators, which is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So we can write that 1 square minus sin square theta. So cos theta into 1 cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta, cos theta into 1 cos theta into minus cos theta sin theta. Here we are having plus value, here we are having minus value. Plus or minus gets cancelled. Here we are having the remaining values cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So I am substituting cos square theta here. So we have cos theta, cos square theta having 2 cos theta. So 1 cos theta gets cancelled. We'll get 2 by cos theta is equal to 4. 2 get cancelled in 4 2 times. So 1 by cos theta is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of cos theta. Now reciprocal the value. We'll get cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 cos theta 1 by 2 is equal to the value is equivalent to cos 60. Therefore theta is equal to 16. Hence it is true for the theta 60 and it is not defined for theta 90 degrees. And the last of the today's question, if cot theta is equal to 9 by 12, then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus secant theta plus cosecant theta by secant theta minus cosecant theta. Now write the question, a given value cot theta is equal to 9 by 12. So when you are writing a right angle triangle, cot theta means adjacent by opposite. Now substituting values in the triangle ABC. So adjacent value 9 and opposite value 12. So now find the value of AC square. So hypotenuse is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square under square root. So 9 square plus 12 square under square root. 9 square means 81, 12 square means 144. When you are adding, we will get 225 under square root. 225 means 15 square. So now find the value of sin theta. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. So 3 gets cancels, 4 by 5. Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. 3 gets cancelled, 3 by 5. Secant theta means 1 by cos theta. That means cos theta value is reciprocal at 5 by 3. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Sin theta value reciprocal. 4 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 4. Now substituting the values in the given equation. Sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus secant theta minus plus cosecant theta by secant theta plus minus cosecant theta. 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 upon by 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5, 5 by 3 plus 5 by 4, 5 by 3 minus 5 by 4. Here we are having same denominators, we can add the numerators directly. Here we are having same denominator, we are subtracting directly. So now cross multiplying, 5 into 4, 20, 3 into 5, 15, 3 4s are 12. Again same thing, here we are having plus, we are having minus. So 20 plus 15, 35, 20 minus 15, 5. So we will get 7 plus 35 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, 35 7 times. 7 plus 7, 14. So hope you enjoy the video. Have a nice day, children.